All right, this is Dr. Marcella Wilson, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your account for ChatGPT. First of all, you want to go to you want to type in your browser chat.openai.com. So you don't want to do www, just do chat.openai.com. But it's going to come to a page that looks like this, right? If you already have an account, which you don't, you would click the login button. But if you want to create your own account, you would type in an email address. I'm just putting in a fake. You put in the email, you put in your email address, then you put your password and hit continue. Once you hit continue, you're going to be taken to the main ChatGPT page that's going to look like this. All right, now once you get to your main ChatGPT page, you're going to have a couple of options, right? These are the different types of ChatGPT models that you can use, right? ChatGPT 3.5, GPT 3.5, GPT-4, and the newest one, GPT-40. Now, I will talk in a later video about the difference between these three models, but I will say pretty quickly, GPT 3.5 is free. It's a little bit slower, and the responses aren't as nuanced or accurate or sophisticated as the other models. ChatGPT 4 is the paid version, right? It's about $20 a month at the time that I'm recording this video. I don't know, maybe in the future it'll decrease or increase, but right now it's $20 a month. And with ChatGPT, GPT-4, the answers are more accurate. The answers are more complex. It does run a tad bit slower than GPT 3.5, but it does do more advanced tasks. You get better, more precise answers. It's been trained on a large language model than GPT 3.5 has. If you're not sure what that is, I'll get into that in another video, but it's the paid version and it can do a little bit more. Now, GPT-40 has just come out a few days ago. It's free. It's supposed to close the gap between the free version, GPT 3.5, and the free version, which is GPT 40. So I don't have a lot to say about this right now. I'm still learning and gathering information about it, and I'll do a video about it later. But I just wanted to let you know that as soon as you sign up for an account, you're going to have to choose what type of model you use. I recommend GPT 3.5. You can do, this is the free version. You can do everything you need with the free version, right? At this point, you don't need to pay any money to use this amazing feature and this amazing tool. So I do want to say, in order to set up your account with ChatGPT, you have to have access to internet and access to a web browser. All right, that's all I have for you today. So if you don't have an account, sign up and just start playing around, you know? Start typing things in the text box and see what it tells you. All right, thanks for your time. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, have a great day.